Welcome to the presentation of MayBee, an advanced human resource management solution incorporating the latest achievements in HRM. Today, we will provide you with a general overview of the incredible capabilities and functionality of MayBee. Let's start our journey by getting acquainted with the main tool panel. From the header, we have quick access to the following main options: submitting time-off requests, support chat, a quick search for users or candidates, full screen mode, changing the interface language, switching between light and dark themes. Notifications in the header inform us about both personal and system events. In the far corner of the header, there is an avatar, under which you can access your profile and log out of the system. Each user of the MayBee system has a personal profile that provides centralized access to all necessary information and management tools. In addition to general personal information and job-related details, the profile offers the following features. Avatar. Your photo can be easily changed with a few clicks. Absence block. To view your balance and submit requests for vacations or other absences. Files tab. Stores important documents related to your profile. You can easily manage files, upload new ones, download existing ones, or delete unnecessary ones. Forms and tests. Tabs. Store links to forms and tests assigned to you. You can start working with the respective functionalities with a single click. Processes tab. Keeps track of the active processes you are participating in. Inventory section. This allows you to track the inventory you have received from the organization. Time off history. Tab. Stores information about all changes to your absence balance. Requests. Tab. Lists your absence requests, providing a complete history of applications and their current status. With the Integrations tab, you can set up receiving notifications in Slack or Telegram. In the profile settings, you can change the time zone, configure notifications, and of course, change your password. The MayBee dashboard panel is the first page a user encounters after logging into the system. This dashboard is designed to centrally display the most important information through intuitive widgets that can be customized to meet the personal needs of each user. The MayBee calendar is a convenient tool for organizing time and important events integrated directly into your workflow. It displays information about events, holidays, planned absences of users, birthdays, and work anniversaries of employees. Creating events in the calendar is quick and efficient. Click the plus button, enter the event name, and select the event type. All invitees will receive notifications about the event immediately after its creation, ensuring excellent communication and coordination within the team. You can also switch to the absence calendar, which provides a convenient way to view user absence information for a specified period. In the recruitment section, we have three main pages: candidates, Kanban board, and job openings. The candidates page in the MayBee system serves as the hub for managing potential employees, where HR managers and recruiters can store and analyze all candidate data. You can find the necessary information using advanced search or filters. When creating a new candidate, you can not only enter basic details such as name, contact information, and address, but also add additional information. Select the responsible recruiter. Specify additional contacts. Add links to platforms like Figma, GitHub, or others that showcase the candidate. Include education and work experience. List skills with the ability to determine their proficiency level. Use tags for recommendations or other specific notes. Provide job information, including the vacancy the candidate is applying for and the platforms through which they were sourced. Upload files such as resumes, certificates, or portfolios. Add custom fields that the company can use for specialized information important to them. By reviewing the candidate's page, you can access all available information about them, including their job applications, assigned forms, and tests. Additionally, from the candidate's profile, you can initiate new hiring stages, confirm or reject their application, and if they successfully pass the hiring process, quickly transform the candidate into a new system user. On the Kanban page, you'll find a list of all job openings with detailed information about the number of interested candidates. Selecting vacancies will open a Kanban board, displaying the hiring stages and the current candidates at each stage. Moving a candidate to the next stage is as simple as dragging their card to a new column. Additionally, you can quickly access detailed information about any candidate directly from the board by clicking on their card. This allows HR managers to swiftly review all crucial details, including resumes, skills, tags, and other data that may be helpful during the hiring process. MayBee simplifies the process of creating and managing job openings, providing all the necessary tools to attract top talent. Let's take a closer look at the key features. Office. Choose the specific location for the job. Department. Identify which department the position belongs to. Hiring steps. Customize the steps for the selection process with the option to disable steps that aren't needed for a particular job. Tests and forms. Specify the tests and forms required for the hiring process. Platforms. Add the resources where the job posting has been advertised. Required experience and salary. Provide information on the qualifications needed and the expected salary. Hot job. If necessary, mark a job as urgent. Once a job is published, it appears on the Kanban page. Another crucial feature of the recruitment module is the built-in chat for communicating with candidates. Messages to candidates are sent to their email addresses, while within the system, they are presented as a continuous conversation. The exciting world of HR in MayBee starts with the Users page, where candidates become valuable members of your team, appearing here in the list of employees. On the Users page, you'll see a list of all members of your company. With filters, you can quickly find the needed employee based on criteria like department, position, tags, or office. MayBee offers several approaches to creating user profiles, providing great flexibility for your HR team. MayBee allows you to send invitations to potential employees who were not recruited through the system. These users can create their profiles independently, and the HR specialist can then add any necessary information to the new user's profile. You can also manually create an account for a new employee by filling in all the required information in their profile. The user profile page is a central part of MayBee's HR functionality, where comprehensive information about each employee is gathered. This page provides HR managers with convenient access to detailed user data, including account management, setting and changing passwords, job information, time-off policies, absence requests, assigned forms and tests, active processes, files, and custom fields. Next, let's explore the Organization section, where the main HR functionalities are gathered. Groups MayBee offers rich opportunities for creating interaction and collaboration with groups. On the Groups page, you can form various teams and organizational units for effective project and process management within your company. And time off are crucial parts of work culture and effective personnel management. The key features of the time off section include policies. Create and customize types of absences, such as sick leave, vacations, unpaid time off, etc. Types. Set up rules for accruing absence days for employees, including accrual frequency and maximum vacation days. Requests. Submit and track absence requests, such as creating and sending a vacation request through a simple interface. Importantly, the created absence policies can be selectively assigned to different users, allowing you to create rule sets specific to various employee categories. Balance adjustment. HR managers or administrators can adjust the balance of available absence days for users, considering necessary corrections. This is useful for changes related to an employee's tenure, special circumstances, or updates to company policies. Process management is a critical component of building an excellent HR strategy, and MayBee provides everything needed for effective execution. The Processes section allows you to create a sequence of steps that users need to complete, such as onboarding, educational programs, or personal development plans. This section enables you to create a sequence of steps, Assign responsible users. Leave comments or gather feedback at each step, turning the process into an interactive dialogue between participants. The Inventory section in MayBee offers a comprehensive solution for tracking and managing corporate equipment provided to employees. Here are the main features you'll find in the Inventory section. Create lists of equipment, furniture, electronics, and other items the company provides to employees. Assign specific inventory items to individual employees, with a convenient display of assignment and return history. This functionality allows HR managers to minimize the time spent searching for equipment for new employees and ensures easy registration of equipment returns during employee departures or transfers. Let's explore the pages in the Registry section, which allow us to configure the system. In the MayBee system, the hiring process is structured as a sequence of stages, each representing a specific phase of recruitment. Through the Steps page, you can create, edit, and define the final stages in the hiring process. The MayBee system provides a tool for organizing and tracking various platforms used for sourcing and attracting candidates. The Platforms page allows you to store all the services through which the company posts its job vacancies and provides the ability to assess their effectiveness. By creating event types, you can use them for the calendar, which helps to better organize events and collect analytics on them. Positions in MayBee are used to define the duties and level of responsibility of employees within the organization. Position levels allow you to create additional structure in the organization by defining the level of experience and competencies of employees. The MayBee system allows you to create and manage the structure of your organization's departments. The organizational structure of modern companies often includes multiple offices, which may be located in different cities or even countries. For any organization, it is important to consider national and local holidays, which impact the work calendar and ensure employees have time off. The MayBee system allows corporate clients to easily manage this through the Holidays page, which provides the ability to create custom holiday lists depending on the location of the offices. The Timetables page is where HR managers can configure and create schedules necessary for your business model. In MayBee, you can create various reasons for termination and add them to user profiles upon their departure. This allows for analytics and a better understanding of the history of cooperation with employees. Tags in the MayBee system are a powerful tool for categorizing and segmenting users and candidates. Skills in the MayBee system are a key component of talent management and development in your organization. The MayBee platform enables the creation and definition of proficiency levels for various skills, which allows not only for the assessment of current abilities of employees and candidates, but also for planning their professional development. In the MayBee system, roles are a fundamental mechanism for managing access to system functionality. By using roles, you can create your own system hierarchies and grant employees the appropriate level of access, depending on their position or tasks. Custom fields in MayBee allow HR managers and administrators to tailor the system to the unique needs of the organization. These fields are designed to store company-specific information that is not part of the standard dataset for users or candidates. Genders MayBee allows organizations to define and use different gender identities within their system. Now let's explore the additional tools offered by the MayBee system. Files working with files in the MayBee system includes several different capabilities. User and candidate profile files that are directly related to their profile can be stored directly in the relevant profile. Personal storage for HR and administrators. MayBee provides each with their own personal space for storing work files. Companies' shared file storage to facilitate collaboration and ensure easy access to shared resources. Introducing corporate intelligence at your fingertips with the MayBee System's Knowledge section. Here, your organization will have a place to store all important knowledge that contributes to employee development and learning. The knowledge base is a source of important information for your team. Store company regulations, instructions, internal policies, and any useful guides necessary for employees to work effectively here. Forms. The Forms section in the MayBee system is an incredible and dynamic tool that provides complete control over collecting and evaluating data from employees. With this section, managers can easily create surveys, conduct 360-degree evaluations, and even launch anonymous surveys to gather honest feedback. The process of creating a form is intuitive. Just specify a title like Job Satisfaction and choose whether the survey will be anonymous. You can also create various rating scales, such as measuring employee mood using emotive emojis. Once the survey is created, it can be assigned to users or candidates, and the list of invitees will be available for viewing on a separate page. Users will see the assignment in their profile and receive a notification. They can then fill out the form at their convenience. For candidates, the link to the assigned form can be sent via message. Survey results are collected on the results page, where responses can be viewed. For anonymous forms, the respondents' identities are not visible. Evaluations work similarly. Several people can assess one user. The results are displayed as a chart showing ratings of different aspects of the employee's work, providing a clear view of overall outcomes and individual feedback. Tests in the MayBee system serve as an effective way to assess the knowledge of employees and candidates, allowing for the evaluation of various aspects of professional skills and competencies. You can create questions that require a text response or multiple choice questions with one or several correct answers. When creating a test, you specify its title, the time limit for completion, and the passing grade as a percentage. Then, questions are selected for the test from a list of available questions. Tests can be assigned to employees or candidates just like forms. Once a test with multiple choice questions is completed, the result is calculated automatically. The Analytics section allows you to create text reports and charts, collecting data from various system functions. You can discover the average hiring time and retention rate, view the hiring funnel, and much more to gain deeper insights into the effectiveness of your processes. And so, we reach the end of our journey through the MayBee system. We hope this journey has provided you with a clear understanding of the deep and versatile capabilities that MayBee brings to the world of HRM. Thank you for your attention, and welcome to the MayBee ecosystem.